In this video I just want to show you this magnetic chess set I bought. It's a nice smallish one for taking on holiday. It's quite portable, but it's not a tiny one. Now I've already taken it out of the box, so I'll show you how and I set it up. In the box you've got this little thing here, and you've got just this one leaflet that shows the instructions of how to set it up and obviously the rules of the game. Nothing on the other side. So this is what it looks like after I've set it up. As you can see, they're very nice pieces, gold and silver, very metallic shining. I'll show you more like a scale in terms of set against a kettle and things. And if I pick one up, I'll show you what it looks like. That's the magnet on the underside. It's quite a gentle magnet, they're not very strong magnets. Now the board splits in the middle. Let me lift it up, show you like that. That's how it splits. So I can actually lift that up and they are vertical. Now they do move slightly, the heavier pieces like the king and the queen, but you could move the board round comfortably. What I'll do is I'll just show you what upside down. I'm going to tip it upside down because I wanted to show you the underside where you can store the pieces there. It originally came in a little bag. Each piece came in a bag together. So it's very lightweight and it looks terrific. So anyway, I thought I'd just share that with you. The kind of unboxing initial look at what this chess set looks like. We paid £12 for it, incidentally. So thank you for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you hate it, thumbs down. Look out for my next one. Bye.